In today's video, we're going to be installing this cheap interior mod. Costs about maybe $10 US. This is the red push button start. Put it here. First, I'm gonna take out this one. What's included in the Amazon kit? Some kind of a sticky glue or something. Also come with a small screwdriver. So, guess we're gonna start the car. Pull down the steering wheel. Turn it off. We're gonna use this sticky glue. Sticks here. And we'll give it a good yank. There you go, see? Comes up. And now you just have to press this inside, but you have to align these two prongs here on the inside when you look at inside the button. Do like this. Press it. That's it. Try it out. There you go. Yeah. That's it. So that's how you install the red push button. Now I just have to clean this crap. Make sure we can reuse this again. It's like a black clay or something. Easy, simple mod. Cheap mod. So from black to red. See? If you're interested in this push button start from Amazon, I'll put down the link in the description below so you can check them out. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.